When stuck, do not engage on recovery on your own. This is because a simple stuck can become in a much complicated situation. If you use the gas too much, you can turn a simple situation into a more complicated situation that it needs to. You need to remain in the car and put the car in park and leave and follow the instructions from the sweeper. We will demonstrate a recovery scenario with the car at the back and showing you how to use the radio properly.
You from the front, so please engage for low.
For low engaged.
Turn your steering wheel, turn slightly to the right.
Is this good enough?
This is perfect, keep it this way. You start spinning your wheels at 1500 RPMs. Let me know when you're ready, please.
I'm ready.
Very good, keep it this way. Moving in 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop. Keep it engaged parking.
Copy that, parking and handbrake on.
Cue.
Now you know how to deal with a stuck using the radio.